Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making my favorite snack. I so much love this snack. I'm gonna show you how I make this soft melt in your mouth donuts. So I'll be using a cup of warm milk or evaporated milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a large egg, half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 packet of yeast, fast acting, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and a quarter for dusting. So I'm just going to transfer the flour into the mixing bowl. Then I'm going to add the sugar, the salt, and the yeast. As you've noticed, the salt is not sitting on top of the yeast or vice versa. So I'm just going to combine everything. At this moment, I'm going to start adding the wet ingredients. I'm going to pour in the milk. I'm going to add the egg and the melted butter and the vanilla. So I'll combine everything together with my hand. Shout out to all those beautiful people that have subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much for your support, for viewing my video, inviting people to come. I really appreciate it. So this is how I work on my dough when it's very soft. I just beat it this way. It's still the same thing. You're creating gluten. So I stretch it to test if it's really stretchy, and it is. So I'm just gonna oil it so that it doesn't stick to the bowl and the plastic wrap. Then I'm gonna stick it in the oven for 1 hour to 90 minutes. So to create a very warm environment, I turn on the oven for 1 minute, then turn it off, open the door so that it's not too hot before I stick it in. You could also turn on the oven light, it produces heat too. So my oven is warm and nice. I'm gonna stick it in for 90 minutes. This is 90 minutes later. I'm just gonna go in there and deflate it. Then transfer it to my work surface. So I'll first sprinkle the leftover all-purpose flour so that the dough doesn't stick to the surface. Then I'm gonna start cutting it. So I'll first cut into 2. Then the half I'll cut into 2. That's what I'm gonna continue doing. You'll see what I'm gonna do. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, like it, click the notification bell. If you want to know whenever I upload any video, don't forget to share it with your friends. And if you have been watching my videos and you are yet to subscribe, let today be the day you do it. Please subscribe. Thank you. So I'm just gonna continue to divide them till I get 16 pieces. Sometimes they're not equal, and hey, who cares? Nobody cares. So as long as the donut is delicious. So I'm just gonna continue doing what I've been doing, cut till I get 16 pieces. There are other ways you can get a circular shape when you are making donuts. You could use the donut cutter, you could use a cup, then you could use something small that is circular to make the hole in the middle. But I prefer this method because there's no excess. You don't have to continue working on the excess. Just make circles and make a hole in it. It's really very easy. That's why I like this. But if you want a very perfect shape, use the donut cutter or maybe a cup, something that has a very good circle. So this is how I do it. I just try to make sure it is well molded. Then I roll it on my hand. You could still roll it on the board. It's still the same thing. So I'm just gonna continue with the rest. Repeat the same thing till I'm done. Then before we really form the donuts. If you are still here watching the video, that means you are enjoying it. Please don't forget to click the like button, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe please. After forming the perfect balls, I'm gonna dust the surface of the board because I want to leave them on top of there. That's where I'm gonna proof it. To form the perfect holes, dip your finger in the all-purpose flour, make the hole, then try to expand it just the way I'm doing it. So this is what I do to expand it, because it is gonna shrink. And sometimes it's not perfect, but if you want perfection, get a donut cutter. You're not gonna even notice the imperfection when I'm done. So just do them like this till you are done, and I'm gonna let them sit for 30 minutes. Then I'll come expand it, because when they rise, the holes shrink, and I just do the same thing, try to expand it to help it open up a little bit. So I'm just gonna continue till I'm done expanding any hole that has shrunk. So it's frying time. Don't forget to heat up your oil before you start frying, and make sure you are fried on medium heat. Please don't overcrowd your donuts. If you want your donut to have an even color when you are frying, you have to move it around. Don't let it sit. Try to move them around. If you let them sit too long, you will discover that maybe one spot is darker than the other. So, and if you notice that it's forming bubbles, pop them just the way I did. Move them around. It doesn't really fry for too long, maybe 2 minutes. Then you can flip it on the other side, but make sure you move them around. You see the shape is taking shape. It looks evenly shaped. You will not even notice that I did not use a donut cutter. See the pretty brown color, light brown color. So keep moving them around. This donut is tasty. I'm not gonna lie to you, it is really tasty. Give it a try. When you try it, come back and comment in the comment section to tell us your experience. So I'm gonna continue frying. When I'm done with this batch, I will move on to the next till I'm done. So in case you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button, like the video, share it, invite your friends, and I really appreciate all those that have done this. God bless you. If you want your donut to be darker, you can leave it in for a longer time, but this is a perfect color for me. Like I said earlier, donut is my favorite snack. I like it plain, but my kids, they like it dusted in sugar. So I add some cinnamon into the sugar, and I just put it in the bag, toss it around. Then it's gonna coat, the sugar is gonna coat the donut nicely. See? So see the delicious soft donut melt in your mouth. Look at it. Hey God. Wow, you better give this a try. It tastes so amazing, and it's very soft. This is how I love my donuts. So thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe before the end of this video. Invite your friends. Oh my God, this looks delicious. Invite your friends, share the video, like the video, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you get an alert whenever I post any video. So till I see you next time, I love you. Bye.